Today I'm gonna replace my AC control right here, my heating and air control. I'm having a problem with it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it takes 15 minutes to work, and you know, while I'm driving, it just all of a sudden the AC kicks on. Or I'm not having a problem with the heat, it's the AC. So what I'm gonna do is replace this whole unit right here, this control right here, and maybe see can we get it working. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go down up under here and disconnect the power to the battery down here. You see that little red little clip on the top? I'm gonna press that and disconnect it. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Then I'm gonna start working on my dash, pulling it apart and changing the part. And so I just got it in the mail, and here it is right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it and see whether or not that solved my problem. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. The power here. This is a T20. This is a T20. Okay. Let's see. Man, up under there? Shit. Got to pull the radio out in order to get to it. Oh. Okay, let me put that back. This is the wrong screw right here. So this is it right here. This one. And this one. Okay, this is how you disconnect these different connections behind this control unit. You press down this right here. It's a little like a little lift right here, and right here you see it, a little lift right there. You got to push down on that, and then it releases. So you push down like kind of with your thumb or whatever, and then and you just rock it, and it'll just lift up right straight up out of there. There we go. Just that easy. Lift it and press it down. Press it down a little bit. I don't need that much, just a little bit. Try and do this with one hand. Press down. And once it clears, once you press down and once you clear, you just rock it and lift up out of there. Now this one right here, it has a little hole down here. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to put something down in this hole to release the clip in there so I can pull this one out of here. Oh, okay, I'm back. Had a hard time getting this one out right here. So what I had to do is, let me show you the one I did. I almost tore it, just tore it up and trying to get it out of there. Yeah, it's right here. This one right here. So what I did was put a blade right behind it and push down far as I could, and while I was lifting, and it came out eventually. Eventually came out, but it was a tough one. So looking at the date on this one, the one I pulled out, it says 15/1/11, the date on there. And this is the one that I bought. It says 21/2/17. So it's more up to date. And hopefully this is my problem, because it was showing like low voltage when you put it on a really good diagnostic machine, that the dash had low voltage. And hopefully this solved the problem. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting everything back together. I'm gonna put the hard one in first. Put the hard one in first, and then I work to the easier ones. So here we go. And this one had a little bitty little notch on it, little bubble on there, but I don't see anything that would cause it from pulling up. But it did. I guess you just got to have something to go in there and push just a little bit in on this little knot right there through the hole, and it'll pull up. But I had a hard time getting it up out of there. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is let's make sure all the other ones fit first before I put it in there, and then have a problem getting it back out if I need to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start reconnecting them. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start reconnecting them, putting the connections back on. Might have to put the other one on first because it's so close. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully it matches up. Goes it okay, it went in there pretty good. And so what we're gonna do is start connecting them back. This one goes on here, go up under here. Go there. And rock back in there. This one goes on the end over here. Over here. Which way it goes on there? Oh, it goes up down in there like that. Only one way to put these on here. The right way. So it's only gonna fit in the one it goes in anyway. So that one goes in easy. And that one goes in easy, okay. That's it. Halfway, when you push it down, halfway snaps in there. Itself. Okay, there we go. Everything's connected. Okay, we're going back in with it. Oh, It has a little slot up here that it slides on each side, so I guess that's to keep everything in line. It just sits right in there. I dropped one of the bolts behind in the inside in there. I never did find it, so hopefully don't do too much rattling in there. Hate to go back with it with a bolt missing, but I might have to. Yep, might have to. Okay. Let's go with the other one. Get the other one on there. Gotta be careful with these bolts because they will fall back up in there. It would be nice if it was a magnet. I had a magnet. There we go. Screws in there pretty easy. Hope everything lines up. Now let's go with the bottom one there. Okay. Let's go back on with this. Like everything lined up pretty good. It's not dragging anything. That's it right there. Let's start snapping it back in place. Everything is, yeah. This one kind of jammed right here. Maybe when I push it in, it'll lock in place. Yeah, there it is. Alright, everything is snapped in place. Let's put the power back on and see how it's gonna work. Okay. Turn it down low. It's hot in here. Let's plug it in. Put the power back in. Okay. Everything seems to be okay. There it goes. Here we go. Okay. There you go. Everything's working on this. Seems to be good. Okay. Let's go with the AC. Let's go with the rear AC. I heard it kick in. Oh, we got AC. We got air. Instant. Hopefully this solves my problem. Hopefully this solves the problem. Everything sounds good and strong. No problems. Yes.